Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in beautiful Barcelona red. In the last video, we did get this sucker lifted 3 inches up off the ground with the beautiful precision cut lift kit from torchoffroad.com. Man, that thing was super slick and super easy to put in. The easiest thing we ever did, I think, except, water around on the floor with stuff. But you know what? Everything's going amazing with this truck. And we don't want to cut it short because when we lifted that rear end up, we stretched our factory shocks out and we said, you know what? Let's go ahead and get some shocks from Torch Off-Road. So we got a pair for the rear. What we're going to do today, we're going to get them stuck on the truck. It's going to be the easiest thing that you would probably ever do to your truck, to put a set of shocks on the rear. So let's check out what Torch sent us here and see what they look like. Check him out there. So easy. I mean, these things are easy to put in. Looks like they maybe sent us a couple of stickers to maybe stick on them. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the truck jacked up. We're gonna get the jack stands put under it. We're gonna get started. We're gonna get it done. In the last video, we put our blocks in. Everything was really nice. But what we got to do, we got these new shocks. The old ones come off. They got a 14 millimeter nut here at the top, 17 at the bottom. But we just got to spin them off. And our new shocks came with this bushing that goes right in there. And it came with a couple of Torch Off-Road stickers we got to stick on. And some cable ties to zip up our boots. All right, y'all saw JP struggle with that shock on the other side. I just went and got the torch for the Torch Off-Road shock install, because we're gonna heat that top nut up and get this sucker off. Alrighty guys, man, we told you at the beginning of this video how easy it was to put these rear shocks under your truck. It's super easy. The only recommendation that we would make is be sure 2 or 3 days ahead of time, spray these top nuts up here with some penetrating oil. It'll save your life. You won't have to bring out the torch like we did for the Torch Off-Road shock replacement. But Torch has been around since the turn of the century. This stuff, they install super easy. We're going to take it out. We're going to test it out. and see how they work. But it gave us 2 more inches of travel at least, so we know we're not going to be binding up this truck. But you know what? I think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Drop us a like, leave us a comment. Until next time, we're out.